Today our topic name is a relay. In that topic we see what is a relay and how it is a work. To turn on and off a circuit by a low power signal or where several circuits must be controlled by one circuit. In relay there are three contacts present. One is a NO, second is a NC and third one is a common. NO means normally open, NC means normally closed and third common. These contacts are present in this relay. In this figure we see the construction of the relay, which is a consist of armature, spring, contacts. Here two contacts are present. One is movable and second is fixed. Then coil and yoke. We already know there are three contacts present in the relay. One is the NC, NO and common. Normally closed, normally open and common. Common terminal is the common for the NC and NO terminal. In this connection we see whenever we give the supply to that circuit, that time contacts are changed. That means switching is happen in this circuit. Let's see how it is happen. We see in this connection there are two lamps are connected through the contacts NO NC using 6-volt battery, and the common terminal are connected to the both contact NO and NC contact. First case, whenever supply not given to that system, that time common terminal and connected to the NC terminal as shown in the figure. That time lamp 1 will turn on. That means upside lamp will turn on. In the another case, when supply given to that system, that means whenever we given the supply to that circuit, that time common terminal are connected to the NO terminal. That means lamp 2 will turn on. A relay having a one coil which is work on the both AC and DC supply. It can be a 6 volt, 12 volt or 24 volt depending on the relay's capacity. Now see types of relay. There are different types of relay. First is a SPDT, single pole single throw. Second one is SPDT, single pole double throw. Third one is a DPST, double pole single throw, and fourth one is a DPDT, double pole and double throw. First we see SPST, single pole and single throw.